Right, into Yamami Charlotte Oduro and Primprin de Menoka said, yeah, our no, I ajrebe. Na me pese ye boy ye hon kaya kakra, you could see your mommy video kakra embra.
I'm not losing my husband for any woman too. I won't do it. Or because he cheated. Maybe the fault is coming from me. Maybe my husband has got history from his background. We need to deal with this thing very carefully. People should not just sit there and get angry and react because they have pains. You have pains doesn't mean you should channel the pain to become a revenge on somebody. No. If the man made a... You said, my dear, I wanted to talk to you. If the men make mistakes, if they don't know where they are coming from, you are his helpmate. Women should get this right. We are not here. I'm not here. I'm a Christian. I'm not here to change it. The biblical truth is that the Lord brought the women to be helpmates to the men. So if you help a man, there's nothing wrong with it. If he wants to cheat on you, his punishment, he can't run away from it. But my issue is that, so he cheated on you today, you divorce. You go and meet another man. Is that person an angel? The same person can also do the same thing. So let's get solutions on what to do to help those men that cheat. I'm not saying it's good to cheat, and it's wrong.
So, mommy, what are some of the solutions?
That is when the man can get a supporting wife who knows how to pray, who knows how to channel her issues on her knees praying. Now, this generation don't believe in prayer. They don't believe on the foundation of God. We want to do things on our own. You see, the guy even met you at the club, and the guy married you to his home. Make sure you go with prayer, because a guy you met at the club who can beat you at any time, can cheat on you at any time. Because he will go back to the club without you because you'll be pregnant that day and go and sleep with another girl he will meet at the club. We should just check the foundation. Look at you, look at me. I went to church. That's why I met my husband. I went to church. And whilst they were praying, I just joined, and then I think I fell. I didn't know what happened. But my husband was the one that picked me to the pulpit. But I never liked him because I saw him to be too holistic. And we have gone to school, so we want, Jojo guys and all that. But for him, from his head to his toe, he's too holy. Everything about him, he's changing. I didn't like him at the onset. I didn't like him because women, some of the women, we want, excuse me to use the word, those who don't have sense. It is true. I will use my as an example. My husband took 2 years for me to say yes. But then he can call me and I'll pick the call. And I'll put the phone just right beside the TV. He will speak to the TV. I won't pick it. He will send me money. I wouldn't even call to say thank you. I didn't want him. Because he comes, he's too gentle with his suit. Everything about him is too gentle. And I don't like men like that. I want him to come with the jeans, with the Lacoste, with your sneakers and all that. Those were the men I was looking. All those men I followed, nobody was able to take me to my father's house. Because I wanted just your boys on campus, campus guys, you flex with him. Anywhere you go with him, everybody cheers you. Oh, your guy is good. My dear, if that is your motive, you are dead. When I married my husband, for so many years we fought because we were not clicking. Because the way he is and the way I am, we're like, that he will not allow you to hug him outside, all those things. But my dear, I grew to love this man. I have become a better woman today. Those dreams that I was having, whatever, not me, I was a fool then. This is what women need to learn. Accept you made a mistake, correct your mistake. Don't take your head to revenge on somebody. So your husband made a mistake. Your husband went out, he didn't know. That's why we need to pray for our men when they go out. He went out for a party, the company's party, and then maybe the secretary also wanted the husband. The husband never knew, and they gave the husband a drink. And out of that drink, not when something was put inside, she just wanted to have the man, and the husband got drunk. And before your husband realized the next morning, the lady was right beside him. Do you leave that man? I'm not leaving my husband. No. So who is listening to me today? If you can't sacrifice for the man you say you love, then your love, there's a problem with your love. So marriage is about prayer. If we can't pray and we want to look good, and it's my shame, I'm going to the gym. But there's no gym issue. Women, we can just, some of the stars here, they go to gym, they are beautiful. Do they have husbands? They married today, they are working at God, they don't have patience. They can't wait. He cheated on me. When I saw the calls, I saw the messages, he's sleeping with somebody. So if you see somebody, so what? Do I want my man? Then why don't I pick him up? The reason why I say they should sleep and make love to him is that The men, when they choose and they know you caught them, they're expecting you to get angry when they come. They're expecting you to react when they come. Why won't women change for a day? Why won't we surprise the men? Let your husband come once you know you caught him. And he said, my dear, just pack your things. Wash down. He'll be looking at you with an eye because he is expecting you to shout and insult. I'm not insulting you. God, that's why we say need God to give us a good heart. He should create in us a new heart. Heart where we can endure the pain. Listen, and after you tell him to go and wash, he will go like somebody who is crazy. Mumu, you'll be pushing him and he's going because he is expecting you to react. You are not reacting. He finished bathing you, drawing him back when they sit down. Get something. He thinks you are poisoning him. Eating will be a problem for him. Eat with him. Then you'll be confident to eat. After eating, when you make love to a man, after he knows he has cheated, finish making love, he'll be like a baby to you. Anything you tell me, he will listen. Oh my dear, I'm sorry. My dear, I know I made a mistake. He's ready to calm down like a man. A sex that cripples them. Let's not say because you did it, I'm wearing jeans. That women are making mistakes. Don't wear jeans to prevent him. Rather, remove the jeans and go naked. Make love to us. And making love to him, he will go crawl back to his shell, then go close and tell him, my dear, what are you doing to yourself? You are killing me. I am dying. If you love me, because the Bible says the men should love the women as they love themselves. So the women will reverence them. Reverence means in English dictionary means that I need to, somebody I'm afraid of. Somebody when I see, I should. If God has told me to do it, who is man to tell me I shouldn't do it? That's the Bible says. Go to Ephesians chapter 5, verse 33. It said the men should love the women as they will love themselves. And the women should reverence the men. Reverence means I should be afraid of my husband. Go to the Bible and read it. So it means that if the man will love me the way he loves himself, I don't care if I will sleep on the floor for my husband to put his feet at my back. I will do that with good heart because he loves me. He doesn't treat me bad. And I will treat him like a king.
Wow. So
after making love to him, your husband will care about Sakwala. Then you'll be able to communicate with him. My dear Kobuna, what is it? There's something I'm not doing right. Tell me, I'm ready to do so. I'm ready to do everything for you to be at home because I'm scared of you. You can't get anything, any sickness. And when you do, I can also get infected. The moment you do that, or yet they said, dang, that man will calm down. This is what I'm trying to tell women to do. Let's change it. Let's change the fact that he comes and you're angry. Where did you go to? I check your phone. And then please, they've had enough of that. The Bible says it's only sex that will push you out of the marriage. The Bible has given you that right to do it. But it said, if you want, and you know your man has cheated, you want the man, take him back. So if you think the husband has cheated, you don't want him again, let him go. No problem about it. But when you let him go, maybe you stay alone. But if you want another man, men are men. It's only prayer that sustains marriage. We should understand this. It's only prayer, my dear. My marriage is because I've got the counseling school, yes, but I don't care about the counseling school. This one is divine. Because all the school I went to, I came home and all I saw was excuse me to use the word foolish things because I use my book. Anytime my husband is doing something, I check the book, I check this one, does it connect to the my dear? Nothing worked for me. Later I went to my altar or at the church and I cried to God, Father, let your will be done. Should I leave or I should stay? My dear, it is prayer. Young ladies should listen to us. No matter how big you think you are, you have money, whatever. The man is the man. He's the head of the home. Women should just understand. Pray for your man. Love him the way he's supposed to be loved. Treat him like a king.
What's your video? Yeah, not your mommy or kana kosem. Ewo bra wo shia ni kunu. What's your mommy? Krana wo shani ne bobra kakra. Asa na ne mbaba wasem no. Ura na baka so bia we dini pa o. Wo sha de mbaba wasem na asa na wo from cause on bo life. Wo ye natural. Onye makeup. Na ne entire shame na yes something which is there. Nini nemu na chese we shia ni kunu a wo ka se. Wo shia ni kunu na ne ma bi wo hokrampa no wo mpe. But only choice internet say, you know, oje. Now would see any insensem ni bia na nkrofo keka say kwa kamia ye say Counselor Charlotte na just say wono no ni nsem keka na oka ma memo won kama ema de bia ni advice ni counseling no is centered on how ubeye bema ye ubeye bema ye sa na yenim say aware won is not for the weak. And pray me no kase ni kunu depressed release be statement be out and then that screen so no and something in the tie man say also on na yewe no o must separate it for the past 3 years nana omo be breaking yet into omo try bia underground sanka ware ne bitime gina nanso no entimi engina enti statement here that screen yi so de na ye maame Charlotte sisi ade Oduro ne nka ho ni kunu ade aba out say finally it don gas it don boss let us say aware no enye gu a ne sa enye separation kakao sisi ade divorce enya atiesi na when na Mzbel operitus oprega ondren ho kopen ho asem na baby kura me ko twe statement yi free ye no okọ comment wase eye marriage ata video so okọ comment wase no okọ comment wase no ende enkrofo atwe na basa ne sre enti o de mame nkinkan bi ma eno na eda screen so no eye Mzbel say Mzbel pair no ho asem no say when the marriage counselor also when the marriage counselors marriage is not marriaging LOL that is a laugh out loud ehwana omo good comment section no ebi say only bad news you love commenting on obi so say na obi so about be comment obi say a woman not just any woman a woman someone look up to happy for another woman's downfall no obi so about be don't be too quick to judge no be so about but coming from someone who only dates married men and possibly break homes. This life no balance. No be so about but what a sad world. Just say, Oma chona basana so almost Mzbel. Kawa no to mo hanom. Now obi e ba church am so ba church. I was disappointed to say the least. Mzbel how dey call do? Wanya dey. There na we your comment section hold o cheche aware no eda ada na wuntina bi mu pen wanya ade du baby a wo ho nyema bi o ha ye nye o ho bon kafra na wo se tetegum ade na wo ye nye wanya ade o ba wo ha so na o hwe me atie hwe odo ho odo timi ma nipa ye nyema bebre odo ade na ye fre na odo no wo ho se wo ye oba na we hu undiscover wo hu je na uchimu no growing up no o parenting no was all about say unya aware a we wie aware ene be mekiwa ubon se uhia be ma na wa project wo energy ni na mana center on be ma no na wa forget wo self yes se uhia be ma ebema wa forget yourself na nia enisa wo ye na wo ye di please bema so I believe say eye Charlotte o shia ni kunu no na odonti no wa center ni energy ni na dia ma bema no enu ti na amakasa na yes no sister unto bi mu da jai bema bi wo ho no oye tintin on say oye na edwuma no oye na edwuma enso ebia emfa ho say edwuma oye wo okọ kan say oye video bi na content no is about say all bashing bema ebia enso yes obedru fie no na ni kunu de na ekọ I know what I'm talking about edwuma mi ye wo ho emprempre mi se me na mani eden baby me say bedru baby me say we go into relationship and I dey energize me so me ti me make decision no me na me etisi me mo oboa forget it na me hu me okwa be so we mu na hu me wo enti say hu me na me ti camera nim na me ye adwuma enti me ti camera nim no hey e bia kasa bi na me kan on pa ye be sugar coat ne ye be kata ho ba say me njai ade we me jai a obehu me amesase me de wo fie me ade we kasa adwuma mi jaye me set me die wo fie aye enu nti na me from here no kwedu anadwo me sa atena sesa akasa no I want to send a signal say before say we be hu me no na ade we me ye dada enti mo to mo bo asema Madam Charlotte what I say enye izebi mo say oja aware na fe de obo life obebo ada no ambo uko shia bema tintin won say ade a bema yi me hwa kafra me sure be mention the press statement here or the abaye for all you know obe spite on oba no obe pin no me kuro mo for be say enyala na pin le ai na enkrofo as enkrofo time no but our is already na nkasa me hu say good dada me the day I me show woman video me hu so aye makeup no the first statement about me team was aware na adrebe aware we de ya mutu enti when I would the statement bo one farm bo adie no yenim se yemu bi yenim se egu ana wenya oba afoforo ena oba be ware no oba na push you say fabra out ana say ana Charlotte no onam out a okasa ni kunu o still ana modemo me say opa bema asem we make out to ho ema muntie biem se wohia bema pensan juma ansa na be hia bema na make sure se wo nsan juma ansa na wo be hia bema no make sure se wo bibia wo je ejuma wo je ansa na bema be pewa waji atumo anasa se mpo se bema be pew ana bema na de so be wade wa make sure se in the course of relationship wo be pe bibia je emfa wo be de nkoto ne so ena sa wo fa be de nkoto ne so kwa emfa ne ndane wo nyame fe ni die be submissive at home as a woman, be submissive buno fe ni die ma no but forget wo ho enka se mi kunu die chese mi kunu ja mi amewu mi kunu ja mi ameye say me de bia ma asama meka me uja mi si ho no ma be bia wo ba uja mi si ho no obeba na me ni ho biem ena se mema clue mema mileage like mema you can say mema we hu nie ekoso ma brabom say evidence as to say bia uja mi say na ekoso mema say je unim na uja si ho no sa jena energy na me de be send ama wa woni be ba o so take you by surprise enti ma munsua se mo ankasa mo be ye bibia ma mo ho be balance wo ye counselor be balance our submission mu be balance wo delivery mu wo your ba regards say media adwuma na wo ya be balance e ma nye centered on how so wo projecting mema kwa adu baby project ma so eba ne sana se bibi koso wa brabo ma inkofo anyade ankofo be hu aye believe you me anyade ankofo be hu Madam Charlotte baby I will be a sendo love and hug okay I know say ne is our year is not for the week ye mu bi say yesi wo ye shura ware wo ye ye den enya ebe de aginyame na me akwa posi akra na nti no na tse busia for tap send so mas name na me de konkon in 360 e de ba be somo macro
Mr. Mankwa, me office was a niska bani de awie ni project no. Eso de bia me office ka mane wo problem.
Enemremu. Na monte tap sending ka.
No so ne de.
Tap send here easy, fast and secured way. Ubetimi send this free amanone. Aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account. Untia transfer fee via.
Sir, I obey any say.
Chine se wonko App Store na Play Store. On download the tap send app no. Or download ya ebebu sanso promo code or ma the pet TV shim obenya €5 £5 and answer $10 on his first transfer
and me kwa friend na ka kire
tabi minyanwie esanse tap send at the good news aba tap send the gine customers wonti or the tap send wallet aba
no be any say
so your customer wo UK sesia ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet wo so enti se rate ne kosora now the sika kogu wallet num anase mpo betimi atosusu nkakra enti abre sema opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase oba o my Ghana mu watimi use sika e wo wallet num no tie
eni ese te say use momo Ghana hairu
sa pepepe se si tap send atre na him kopiem wo United Arab Emirates Netherlands and Austria tap sender na papa no